You know who is for me really the first philosopher? It is Socrates, not Democritus and those early materialists. Why? Because the early materialists still had this basically pre-philosophical vision of reality. The world is out there, let's try and know it, and then you speculate. I don't know which one. Was it Thales said? Water, not earth. Water is the basic element. Everybody with water. For Heraclitus is not so much fire as struggle and so on. But Socrates does something different. He turns his gaze inward towards ourselves. What are we talking about? What do the very terms mean? He doesn't simply ask how the world real is. He asks what is reality, what is the world, and so on, which is why, again, the best definition of philosophy, I follow Alain Badiou, is that the goal of philosophy is to corrupt the youth. And they were quite right, to sentence Socrates to death. By corrupting the youth, I simply mean, of course, in a positive way, to make you doubt the basic presuppositions, conceptual structures of what goes on.